Hello everybody, this is Jeff Twardowski with You Be Successful. In this video, I'll demo the first Domino application we will build together. Let's get started. Welcome to my beginner HCL Notes and Domino programming lesson. This application was written using what I call traditional Domino methods. Xpages, Java, JavaScript, or what I would call non-traditional Domino methods. The components we will use are forms, views, formulas, and Lotus script. I will leave the Lotus script for more advanced classes. So you may ask, why is this important to me? An excellent question. HCL has rolled out several versions of the HCL Nomad. HCL Nomad for iOS devices, then followed with Nomad for Android devices. We are expecting with the release of HCL Domino 12 that there will be an HCL Nomad for the web. Imagine not having to load the HCL Notes client onto a workstation ever again. It would just come through the browser along with the Domino application. I'm not talking about web-enabling Domino applications. We can take our traditional application written to run with an HCL Notes client and run it on iOS, Android, and the web without any modifications. Domino has always prided itself on being a rapid application development environment. I think HCL is making substantial strides in improving the speed of rolling out applications to multiple platforms. Let's review our first application. This application is Problems and Answers. You may call it Problem Solutions, Challenge and Resolutions. How many names can you think of that I didn't? Leave your ideas in the comments below. The application may take on a life of its own as you move through the different stages. As you can see, this app has many different categories. We could make it a help desk application. Instead of IT being a category, it could be workstation, printer, networking, file share, and additional items that the help desk contends with every day. This application can be customized to meet your specific needs. So how does this work? The user opens the application, selects Create P&A. This label is short for Create Problem and Answer. First, we need a category. Select the down pointing triangle to bring up dialog box of categories. Let's select IT. Select OK. Its status is set to active. While the priority can be changed, for now, let's leave it alone. For the title, let's add Printer is out of toner. Under Problem, we can add additional details about the situation. In this example, the user may want to add the printer model number, the printer location, and the specific toner running out. This printer could have multiple cartridges. No sense in changing all the cartridges in the printer if only one cartridge is running low on toner. When ready, we select Save and Close. You can see a new document is located in the Active section. Printer is out of toner. This task could be assigned to someone in support. The technician goes out and fixes the printer toner issue. The technician returns and opens our app, selects the appropriate document, then edits the document by selecting Edit P&A. It stands for Edit Problem and Answer. The technician updates the answer. In this case, replaced toner is typed in the answer space. When finished, select the Complete button. Notice the Complete button moved the Printer out of toner document from active status to the completed status. Open the document by double-clicking on it. The status is changed from active to completed. We updated the user completed with my username. In this case, it's admin. The Complete button used whoever name that clicked on the Complete button. It also updated the date the document was marked complete. This is a completed problem with an answer. We took this process to the next step and notified the originating user of the problem that it has been resolved. Look in the problem creator's mail. Oh, we received an email message. We have a subject line with the word problem and the title of the document. In this case, problem, printer is out of toner. Problem ticket complete. Click on the doc link to see the ticket. We even placed the answer in the email body. Here's a doc link to the problem document. Click on the icon, takes us back to the original document. Printer is out of toner and provides the answer the technician wrote about its resolution. That's how this application works. We've made a couple of views so we can navigate around. By title view provides all the documents based on title. By completed view shows only the completed documents. We can see our printer is out of toner document. The rest of the documents are just demo examples. The by category view shows the documents in each category. In addition, these categories are used in the form choices. What I like about this is if we need to add another category, we can type the new name in the document. Select Create P&A. Select the down pointing triangle to bring up a dialog box of categories. Move to New Keyword and type in the new category we want. We'll call this Marketing. Select OK. Marketing has its first problem. Title this Marketing Problem. Select Save and Close. There is our first marketing problem. If marketing has another problem, we create another problem by selecting Create P&A and choose the categories. There is marketing. The categories are sorted into the correct position in the list to make it easier to find. This completes the demo of our first application. We will create this together using the Domino Designer. This tutorial will provide you insights into the ability that HCL, Notes, and Domino can provide. Go to our next video to see how we start programming this application. Look for the link below or a card on the screen.